These bubbles look harmless, but they're filled with explosive hydrogen. But to do that, I needed a way to make the hydrogen gas, and turns out it's surprisingly simple. All it took was some water, lye, and aluminum foil. The lye removes the protective layer on the aluminum, allowing it to react with water. That produces hydrogen gas and heat, while the aluminum breaks down and dissolves into the solution. Hydrogen gas is so powerful it's even used as rocket fuel, including the Artemis II mission that was recently launched. When it burns, it releases a huge amount of energy. Hydrogen has been known since 1766. Not long after, it was used to lift balloons into the sky. So it's been used in everything from early flight to modern space travel. But now I'm here using it to make bubbles that explode. I made the bubbles by feeding hydrogen through a tube into soapy water. As it comes through, the soap traps the gas and turns it into bubbles. Each bubble is filled with hydrogen, and before long, the surface is covered in them. So I decided to light it and see what would happen. Turns out, they're pretty powerful. So I tried holding them in my hand. And you know, it's not too bad. But even in small amounts, it's still pretty powerful. And that's all just from a reaction between aluminum, water, and lye. Kinda makes me wonder what else you can do with stuff like this. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. I've got more content just like this.